In this module, you'll learn how to share files via Fusion Team and to share files via public link. The first way to share Fusion 360 files and data is to add project members to a Fusion 360 project. This can all be done in Fusion Team. Invite team members via email and allow them to access and collaborate on design and manufacturing files in real time. You can add team members to projects, allowing you to provide specific access to critical design data. The second way to share Fusion 360 files is through a shared link. From the File drop-down menu, you'll see a Share menu. Within the flyout, you'll find Share Public Link. Share Public Link can also be accessed by right-clicking on a design in the Data panel. Share Public Link is an easy way to share design files with colleagues without the need to upload the file to an email or file sharing service. This streamlined process is a benefit of Fusion 360's cloud-based file storage. We'll turn on the Share Latest Version toggle, and Fusion 360 will generate a unique link for the file. By default, you'll notice the option Allow the item to be downloadable is also turned on. We can toggle this off if we only want the receiver of the link to view the file in a web browser. We can also toggle on the password option to create a required password for the shared link. This is a great way to protect any private or proprietary work that we may be sharing. Once you copy the link, you can share it anywhere you can paste a URL. When someone clicks the link or pastes it in their web browser, it will open the file in Fusion Team on the web if they're invited into this project. If they're not invited into the project, the file will open in their browser. Collaborators can then download the file from several file formats. The recipient is also able to select the Open in Fusion 360 button. The file will download from the cloud and prompt you to open it in your local Fusion 360. Note that downloading a file from a public link will result in a new copy of that file for the recipient, not access to the original copy of the shared file. The recipient can also view, comment, measure, collaborate, and further inspect files directly from the shared link. Fusion 360's cloud-based storage makes it easy to share and collaborate with other stakeholders.